Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the back 40. Okie dokie, we have our August art journaling, and this is for yesterday. I just been doing that bird journal and everything, and this was in the bird journal. It was a little bit too big for my pages, and I thought, oh, that look good in my art book. So I got it to go in my glue book, and then I thought, I'm gonna do this for my art journaling. So I was going to do it for yesterday. So this is yesterday's art journaling. And I thought we could take our Stabilo watercolor and our watercolor and go in and do some watercoloring on our little rooster and doggy. Now this, and it's right here. I'll put the name up so you can see it, because I cannot pronounce it. It's in Africa, but I can't pronounce it. But it's a book that I had gotten at the library. They were giving away the books, and it was just full of these drawings from these children from this media house, and they were just so cute. And I was using them in my art journaling. And in my junk journals and all kind of stuff. But it's just really cute. It's just all children of all different ages. And so far, you know, with the pictures and stuff that was on there, it looked like maybe pre-K to middle school range. And I was like, oh, that's so cute. So I had to, you know, I had to get it. So I've got my Stabilo Alls, and when Amazon was having their Prime Day sale, I had gotten this pack. It's black, white, blue, green, yellow, and orange, and red, brown. So I thought we could outline some of these. In this color. And then, you know, do the little art coloring in it. I'm going to take the blue and do his eyes in the blue. Okay, I'm going to fast forward this and cut the mic off, turn some music on, and we're going to color. So get your watercolors out and color along with me.